Hey, good afternoon. How y'all doing? World famous DJ Supreme here. Sir Warrior Loft. Just saying good afternoon to you and yours. Oh yeah. That's how it goes down. This could be you. You know what we do out here. Yeah, look at that up there. Ain't it pretty? Ooh. Pretty. That one. That one. That one. Oh yeah. Going back there. Oh. Yellow baby Mumins. This is what we do out here. This can be you. White bar. Black bar with black tail. Some of the babies that were born on this side. Sir Warrior Loft. Oh yeah. Just saying good afternoon to you and yours. Oh yeah. Hope y'all enjoy the view. Y'all know what we do. Y'all know how to get in touch with us. You know. This is all for the hobby. That's what that lady over there said. Ain't that right? Say it again?
All for the hobby.
I think it's about time I take you guys for a little tour. When you shop at Floyd's, this is how it goes down. For all of your birdie needs, inside and out. Healthy, strong. It's about time I gave a Sir Warrior walkthrough. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's fix that. This is Coop 1, guys. This lady put all this together by herself. So all I did was build things and finance. As you see, she keep her coop clean. Now that she's not doing too well, it's me cleaning it. Now let me stop playing. Yeah. I let one or two pairs do their thing sometimes. You know? Blacks up there in the corner, they chilling. We'll head into Coop 2, y'all. All the big, strong guys. When people are looking for stuff, you gotta look in the right places. And I'm damn sure making sure that it's not hard to find us. I gotta get rid of those eggs. Goodbye. This bird seems to love me. They peck my toes, man. Y'all behave, man. Come on, behave. Let's head on to the other side. man, let's head on in. Let's head on into Coop 3. Small walkthrough, y'all. Home of the Shadows. Oh yeah. Gotta finish off that two walls right here this week. You know what I'm saying? But it just goes on and on. This could be you. We're not hard to find. This is Coop 3. I almost got something sweet on my feet, man, because this bird is following me everywhere. Little dude, go on about your business, man. Find something to do. Oh, man. Just wanted to say good afternoon to you and yours. And remember, shop Floyd Supply. Sir Warrior Loft as we spin on around. Just let us know. Give us a holler. We got you. It's for the hobby. It's not for us. This is called the blessing. When you treat people good, do right in life, God gives you a blessing. These is his birds, not ours. Sir Warrior Loft, give us a holler. Good, I don't know why. I'll let y'all out.